So for 2 minutes to midnight, and for the most part the speed's there, just needs some tightening up. The only real thing to point out, I would think, is after, let's see, this transition here. So you are not just doing this, you're going and throwing in that extra notes. So let's see if I remember. I'll play it slow. So when you're doing the basically that first transition parts, slowly it's supposed to be this, and you are doing. So you're just throwing in that extra note. I suppose it is being nitpicky, but that is the way it's tabbed out, the way it sounds in the recording as well. So that's the only other thing to really work on. You just gotta cut that note out. The palmy pattern sounded just fine for the most part, anyway. The only thing that I kept hearing all these extra strings ringing out during it. That means I'm gonna try and recreate what I heard. Hearing like the E and the B string ringing out a lot. And I know sometimes if I'm playing something, I might have a little bit extra stuff ringing out if I'm not muting properly with my left hand as well. So like if you're doing like this bar here, I have a little bit of my index touching those higher strings to mute that out. So if you are brushing the strings with your right hand, you won't hear them. That's really it. Just make sure you watch your muting. So let's do a different pattern. So we did like a gallop to reverse gallop, so let's change that up. Let's just try to go between an A5 and a C5 this time. So what we'll have 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a... Whoops, that was the wrong direction. Take two. So we got 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... So just add that in, and we'll get a little bit more experimental as you progress. But let me know if you got any questions there. Hope everyone's feeling better soon. I'll see you again in a week.